Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to install MT4 on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for download MT4 for iPhone. And now, you want to scroll down until you see MetaTrader for iPhone and iPad training platforms. So just go ahead and click on that. And now just go ahead and scroll down until you see this orange rectangle shape. So just go ahead and click on that, and it will redirect you on App Store. So some of the countries the MT4 is not available, okay? But if this app is available on your country, just go ahead and click on the Get button. And that is how you install MT4 on your device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.